Hello friend, now we learn the sweep command. So to understand the sweep command, first select the one part. File, new, part, OK. In the insert menu, this define the sweep command. Sweep protrusion. Okay. Now this define the trajectory and section. Sweep means what? We can follow the one section on the trajectory. Okay. So first sketch the trajectory. Now if we already draw the trajectory, so you can select the trajectory. Now we can sketch the trajectory. Plane, front, OK. Default, OK. Now draw the one trajectory. OK. Now at this point you can draw the one section. OK. Now press OK. Now preview. You can see this type of section. OK. Now another example of a sweep command. So first to draw the one part. Extrude, placement, define. Plane, sketch. So first draw the any one part. OK. Press OK. OK. Then press OK. Now you can see this part. So insert, sweep, cut. OK. Now sketch the trajectory on this surface. OK. Default. So first select the trajectory. OK. Now you can draw the one sketch, one section, then press OK. Yes. Now you can see this portion. OK. You can easily see this section. Okay. Now you can use this way sweep command. One another example of a sweep command is thin protrusion or a thin cut. Thin cut means small cut. Small thin cut is provided. So sketch the trajectory, surface, OK, default. enter the width of the thin feature. Okay, then preview. If you want to edit the thickness, you can also edit the thickness, then preview. Okay, see this way. Now we can different way use the sweep command. You can also use the thin protrusion same this way. Okay, thank you.